Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes the Mac Pro from just 3 years ago look like a calculator. For years, the Mac Mini was the forgotten child of the Apple family. It was the budget option, the server in a closet, the entry-level machine for people who didn't want to spend $3,000 on a MacBook. But in late 2024, everything changed. Apple shrunk the design, moved the power button to the bottom, and gave us the M4. It was a hit. But as we sit here in 2026, the tech world is whispering about something much, much bigger, that we aren't just talking about a spec bump. We are talking about the M5 Mac Mini. According to the latest supply chain reports out of Taiwan and the leaked Project J873 identifiers found in macOS 26.4, Apple is preparing to turn the Mac Mini into the undisputed value king of the entire computing industry. But there's a catch. A massive one. New data suggests that while the M5 chip is a beast, Apple is planning a move that could make your current peripherals completely obsolete. Are we looking at the ultimate desktop? Or is Apple about to gatekeep the pro-level features we've been waiting for? Today, we are going deep. We are uncovering the 2-nanometer architecture secrets, the thermal crisis Apple is currently trying to solve, and the real reason why the M5 Pro model might be delayed until late 2026. If you're a creator, a gamer, or just someone who wants the best bang for their buck, you cannot afford to miss what we've uncovered. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your next supercomputer might only cost $600. To understand why the M5 Mac Mini is such a big deal, we have to talk about the M-series ceiling. For the last few generations, Apple's silicon has been dominant, but the jumps in performance were getting smaller. The M4 was great, but it was still built on a refined 3-nanometer process. The M5 is different. This is the SoICMH era. This is a new way of stacking the chip components horizontally and vertically. Why does that matter to you? Because it means the distance data has to travel between the CPU and the GPU is now measured in micrometers. The leaked benchmarks for the base M5 chip are already surfacing, and they are terrifying for the PC industry. We're seeing a 15% jump in single-core performance, but a staggering 35% to 40% jump in GPU throughput. In 2026, Apple isn't just competing with Intel, they are coming for NVIDIA. The M5 Mac Mini is rumored to handle hardware-accelerated ray tracing at a level that actually makes Cyberpunk 2077 or the new Grand Theft Auto playable at 4K on a machine the size of a sandwich. But there's a hidden cost to all this power. When you cram that much performance into a chassis that's only 5 inches wide, you run into the laws of physics. Early testers are reporting that the M5 Mac Mini is running hotter than any Mac in history. This has led to a secret redesign of the internal fan system. Apple is reportedly experimenting with a liquid phase heat pipe system, tech usually reserved for high-end gaming laptops. If they can't get the thermals under control, the M5 Mac Mini might be the first Apple Silicon Mac to suffer from significant thermal throttling. Is Apple sacrificing longevity for raw speed? This is the question that has the pro community worried. But let's talk about the base model trap. For years, we begged for more RAM. Apple finally gave us 16 gigabytes as a base in the M5.